Hello, this is Mrs. Sandra Silva-Cisneros, and I am going to be your Spanish 101 online teacher. I'm here to introduce to you a little bit about the class. As you can see, you're going to be able to go into the class and play with it and see how it is that you are going to learn about it. I know that you are here in the ocean. Well, I happen to be right now in South America, in Peru. And you can hear that there's the ocean next to the Pacific Ocean. A lot of the Spanish-speaking nations are next to the ocean. I just wanted to introduce you. And so in our first discussion, as you can see, you're going to be introducing yourselves. Alright? So I am guiding you a little bit to tell us a little bit about yourself. Again, welcome to Spanish 101 class. This is Mrs. Sandra Silva-Cisneros, your Spanish teacher, and we'll continue doing these online videos. Have fun. Bye-bye.